Pajarito stretches out, straight lining in for Christian Pajarito. First points on the side of the Voyager.
Yeah, and hindi mo rin pwede siyang i-ignore as an all-star because you know, I know si Raven Gonzalez is not the leading scorer for Abra. Si Christian Pajarito actually yung productive na center sa liga.
Lala ko last year, the fans were worried. Warren Bonifacio, who has been the face for quite some time, was traded. Pero yung kapalit naman, parang ganda rin nung binibigay in Christian Pajarito. There he is, getting his 5th point of the ballgame.
Gano'n siya ka-locked in and committed sa team niya. And we've seen the commitment from Christian Pajarito this past few months, this stint with the Pasay Voyagers.
Nandayan, bailout shot, floater near the 3. Pajarito, 7 points already in total for Christian Pajarito. Four-point lead. Alabanza answering on the other end. But still with 5 minutes and 35 in the first quarter. Ball is loose. Turnover on the side of Marikina. Cortiza all the way for the lead.
Laro ka ng fantasy. Usually, may steals at blocks lagi.
Kompleto.
I think this gives them a little more balance here. As Nandayan is stripped.
Renz, defended by Gerard Wilson. Martel stretches out the floor. Gets the 3 is Lian Martel. Martel to Steve Nash. Back-to-back triples on the side of Pasay. The lead is now up to 13 points.
Marikina needing an answer.
Straight fake handoff, goes for the drive, gets the bump, the basket, and the bonus against another lefty in Mark Parks. Yung defense is straight. Up to today naman, kitang-kita naman. Alcoriza on the drive, finishes with the left.
Hindi niya mapigilan yun. Renz Alcoriza getting creative on that drive.
Gerard, extra pass. The drive. Turnover here. Alcoriza attacks. The left hand is still good for Renz Alcoriza.
Renz Alcoriza running the break again.
Gerard Wilson with the answer on the corner.
Sa kaliwa yung yung nag-take off ka.
Scientifically, mas balance kasi ang katawan when you do that.
Oh.
But of course, yung mga coaches nasanay na. Parks, no more time remaining, and that will end the first quarter, 26 to 15.
Strong start here by the Pasay Voyagers.